In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a crosstab from Tableau server to an Excel spreadsheet in Tableau. Let's jump right in and go through the process step by step so you can easily transfer your data for further analysis or sharing. First, head over to Tableau Public on your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your account, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account, then hit the Sign In button once again to proceed. Now that you're logged into your Tableau Public profile, click on your avatar or profile picture, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This should bring up a drop-down menu, where you will then click on My Profile. This action will take you directly to your profile page, displaying all the workbooks you have. At this point, it's time to locate the Crosstab workbook that you wish to export. So, browse through your workbooks and click on the specific one you want to work with. Once you open your Crosstab workbook, direct your attention to the toolbar. You'll see a download option. Click on it, which will reveal a few different download settings. From these options, select Crosstab. After selecting Crosstab, you will need to choose your desired file format. The aim is to end up with an Excel spreadsheet, so click on CSV to download the file in this format. With that done, click on the Download button to initiate the download of your Crosstab data. When the download is complete, go to your File Explorer or Finder and navigate to the Downloads folder. Here, you should find your newly downloaded file. Double-click to open the file, which should automatically launch in Microsoft Excel. In Excel, you may want to ensure that your data is saved in the Excel format for easy access and additional functionality. So, click on File in the top left corner and select Save As. You're almost done. In the Save As window, choose Microsoft Excel file as the file type. This will ensure your data is saved with the .xlsx extension, making it compatible with all of Excel's features. With everything in place, save your Excel file to your preferred location, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a crosstab from Tableau server and saved it as an Excel spreadsheet. By following these steps, you can streamline your data management and keep your work organized and accessible for future use. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more Tableau tips and tricks.